3, 2, 1. What is up, everybody? Welcome to GysticTutorials. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to zoom in on a PC. Let's get into it. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you how to zoom in on, like, say, your desktop or inside files, like you see some people do in tutorial videos. If you want to zoom in on a web browser, you can use this method, but usually every web browser will have a zoom in option, usually found in like the view tab or something like that. Like that's where it's found in Internet Explorer. But to do this, what you want to do is open up the search. Click down here if you're on Windows 10. If you're not, just press the Windows key and S at the same time, and it'll bring up the search. And then here you want to type in magnifier. I've already got it searched up here. You just want to click on it, and it will zoom in straight away. I've actually got it open in my second window right there. But here, what you can do is you can choose to have a lens. Like this is a pretty cool way to view. It's a lens on top of your pointer, so it zooms in on everything on your desktop. The other thing to do is to choose docked, which I'll show you how to do now, which is up the very top here. It shows you a zoomed version of where your pointer is, but it does mess up your desktop, and so use this very carefully. And then you can choose full screen if you'd like, if you want it all to be zoomed in, like when I showed you before, but it zoomed out, that's why it didn't zoom back in. So you can actually zoom it all the way in if you'd like, to 1600. That is the limit, and I don't want to lose my cursor here. As you can see, you can pretty much see every single little pixel that this is made out of. Look how bad the quality of this is. So you just to zoom back out, just zoom all the way out, just give it a little click, and you'll be brought back to normal. So this is the settings that if you click on the settings cog, this will be brought up. This is the magnifier settings. Here it shows you the shortcut keys. So the Windows key plus turns on the magnifier, and the Windows key plus escape turns it off. And you can change the zoom level on here, just as you can do in the magnifier app. And you can choose if you only want it to increase by 25% zoom increments. Say you want 125 instead of going straight to 200, which I personally like the best. So you can change it there, all the way up to 400%, so it'll zoom straight in. And you can also choose down here, this is near the bottom, what you want the magnifier to follow. So I like keeping it on my cursor, and keep the cursor within edges of the screen, just leave that at the same. So yeah, that is basically it for this video. If this did help you, please hit that like button, and if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button as well. And if you need any help, just leave a comment down below and I'll be glad to help out. That is it from me, everybody. Have a wonderful day, and peace out.